It's impossible to have time for everything, everywhere. But by organizing your day properly, you can do much more than usual. The ability to manage your own time is not just an important thing, it's a necessity for everyone who wants to have time to do everything. How many of you say, 24 hours in a day are not enough for me? Probably every person has the feeling like the day seems to have passed actively, almost without any rest and breaks, but you haven't done anything useful. Or even you didn't have time to wake up and get down to something, and it's already night outside. Despite the fact that many people have already noticed that the time began to pass really quickly, it's worth taking matters into your own hands. First, you need to figure out exactly where the time is running and how to organize it correctly so there are additional 2 or 3 hours in a day. In fact, they already exist. All that remains is to find them. But how to start? I always have a busy schedule. School, trainings, some social activities, performances on stage, and homework every day. Of course, this is a huge amount of tasks and, most importantly, effort every day, but I wouldn't be able to cope with all the tasks without planning and scheduling, without the time management. Time management is a technology that combines different ways to organize time effectively. Using it, a person is able to overcome procrastination, meet deadlines, maintain the level of motivation, and get more done. Effective time management skills will be useful to anyone, regardless of type of activity. If you do not take action to organize your time effectively now, you may experience increased stress, missed deadlines, and lack of progress towards your future goals. This could lead to missed opportunities for personal and professional growth. Managing can be difficult for several reasons. One common challenge is that there are often more tasks and responsibilities than there are hours in a day. Additionally, people may struggle with prioritizing tasks effectively, leading to a feeling of being overwhelmed and unsure where to start. Distractions such as social media or unexpected interruptions can also derail productivity and make it difficult to stay on your schedule. There are some tips that always help me to organize time effectively. So, the first one, eat that frog. Imagine the scenario. You've taken up a new job or started a new course and you're really overworked. You have so many things to do. Your frog is your biggest, most important and difficult task, the one you're likely to put off until later. So, make sure this is the first job you do and keep at it until it's done. Of course, the most difficult task should take the most time and effort among all the others, but believe me, if you will start doing non-urgent tasks in the very beginning, you will constantly think and worry about the urgent one. So, if you complete the most important tasks from the very beginning, you will later complete the others faster, therefore with the greater productivity. Focus on the most important tasks and complete them first. Be single-minded. Just do it. The second one, write the to-do list. Get organized and set your objectives. Before you get on with your work, you should take only 10 minutes to map out exactly how you will spend your day. Personally, I always write a to-do list, and this is the most important tip that will always demonstrate a quick result. Writing the to-do list takes a few minutes, but it really increases productivity. When you plan your task and schedule your activities, you can prioritize effectively, allocate time to important tasks, and avoid wasting time on unproductive activities. Planning helps you to stay organized, focused, efficiently, allowing you to accomplish more in less time. Also, planning can save your time, especially when you're working to a deadline. And the last one, motivate yourself. Self-motivation is a key to organizing your time effectively. When you're motivated, you're more likely to set clear goals, prioritize tasks, and stay focused on completing them effectively. By understanding what drives you and cultivating to a positive mindset, you can harness that motivation to completing your tasks effectively and achieving your own objectives. So, always be enthusiastic and purposeful. Once Ford Henry said, "Time doesn't like to be wasted." So remember, if you plan and value your time, you'll definitely improve yourself. Thank you.